Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about laser hair removal with this IPL hair removal device from Ulike. Now, since we're in spring, we're getting into the warmer weather. It's a little slower where I am. We keep waiting on spring here, but since we're getting into the warmer weather, I thought this would be a great video to do. We're wearing less clothes, we're wearing bathing suits, so laser hair removal might be something that you're interested in, especially if you're sick of shaving every day or you want to do something from the convenience of your own home instead of going to a med spa and doing the laser treatments there, which can be very time consuming and costly, or waxing, ouch. This would be a great alternative. So I'm going to go over this device. We're going to unbox it. I'm going to get into all the features, which are some really amazing features that I haven't seen in any other IPL devices because I've covered a lot of them on my channel, and then I'm going to do a demo as well. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to find out more about IPL laser hair removal, then just keep watching. So I want to say in maybe the last 5 to 6 years, maybe a little bit longer than that, IPL laser hair removal devices have sprung in popularity, and for a good reason. You can do them from the convenience of your own home, which is great. You own the device for life. So this one right here, I partnered with Ulike today to show you this device. So let's unbox it first. Then we're going to get into what distinguishes this device from others, and then I'm going to give you a demo and show you the area that I am currently going to be addressing. So upon opening the box, that's what it looks like. And I'm going to first take out this right here, and this is where the pamphlets are going to be on how to operate this device. So I'm going to take out both. So they have a quick start guide right here, and then they have an operator's manual. So this is just more in depth. So honestly, the quick start guide, this is going to be your go-to. I'm going to use this today, and it's nice because they have this little diagram that shows you exactly how to use the device on whichever area that you want to treat, what mode to have it on, and how long. And I really do like that. So obviously you can treat your armpits, your underarms, your legs, your Brazilian wax area, or your bikini line, your arms, and your face, which is crazy as well. And it does say that weeks 1 through 4, you're going to want to treat the device 3 times a week, which I'm going to get into later in the video, 3 times a week. And for better results during weeks 1 through 4, they recommend treatment every 2 days. So that's really crazy. And then from week 5 on, you can adjust the treatment schedule to once every 2 weeks or once a month, depending on your hair growth. Next, we have the IPL laser device right here. I love the purple color. It's very sleek, doesn't have a ton of buttons, very easy to hold. And then it also comes with the plug that's going to be plugged into the device, and then this is going to be plugged into the wall from here. Last, it includes this nice pouch where you can store your protective eyewear, especially if you're going to be doing any laser hair removal on the face. You do want to wear these protective glasses that look like that. So it's really nice that they include them, and they kind of fold up like that, and then you can store them in this bag right here. And then it also comes with a little mini razor as well, so that's really cute. This would even be good for travel purposes if you were traveling on vacation, if you didn't necessarily use this. But they do include the razor as well with this nice pouch. And then obviously, if you were traveling as well, you could put the device in here. So IPL, as most of us know, stands for Intense Pulse Laser Light, and it is an FDA cleared way of treating or removing hair from the body. Now, it says that IPL uses intense pulses of a broad spectrum of polychromatic light. It targets the melanin in hair follicles and sets the hair root dormant, bringing permanent hair removal results. That's just a little background of what IPL is. Now, this device right here is great because it has different features that I have not seen in others. Now, this device in particular has 2 lights, so it's able to treat areas more effectively and quicker. Because it has the 2 lights, you're treating a bigger area as opposed to having 1 light. So typically this part of other devices is smaller. So this has 2 lights, so you'll be able to work faster, which is okay by me. And this also has 4 modes. Now, when you're starting, you want to start at the lowest mode or whatever's comfortable for for you, but they have a SHR mode, which is crazy. And basically, this is just going to get you the fastest results, and it is meant to treat the most stubborn hairs. So I really like that they kind of have that super mode going on. It also has a 1mm UV filter to filter out unwanted UV rays. And you'll see visible results in 2 weeks and a 93% hair reduction in 4 weeks. And then lastly, this device has an ice cool technology, but it's unlike any others that I've seen. I'm just gonna read a little bit about it. It says that Ulike is one step ahead in the game. We have developed our patented Sapphire Ice Touch technology, which allows the ice cooling system to work along with the IPL system. So that means that when you're treating whichever area, it's cooling it at the same time. So you're not gonna really feel the heat at all. Now, other devices that I've used in the past, you have to go back in after you're done and use the cooling feature or use the cooling feature before. So that is a really, really sophisticated technology. I really do like that. So now for the demo. So today I'm gonna be tackling these kind of stubborn little blonde hairs that are along my hand and my upper arm right here. And no matter how many times I shave them, I still see them. And sometimes when I'm out in the sun, I see them all and they get really long. So that's what we're gonna be tackling today. So I'm gonna turn this device on right now. Again, that's what it looks like. And we've got a larger area with the dual light system. So we're gonna be able to move quicker. So we're going to turn this on right here. But before I turn this on, this is the button for that SHR mode that I was telling you about. Today, I'm not going to use this, but this is going to be the mode that you want to use when you're comfortable using this device, and it's going to just make your results come faster as well as get very stubborn hairs. So let's turn this device on, and it's not that loud. So what I wanted to show you guys is that there are 4 modes total, including the SHR mode, but you're going to hit the power button to go through the modes. So we're gonna go fast, normal, and high. So today I think I wanna go on the normal mode, and it's nice because you can lightly see the lights lighting up. It's going through what mode you're putting it on. And then you'll notice the little like snowflake right there. That never turns off because that's their ice cool technology, which is great. So you're always gonna feel cool. So I'm going to put it on the normal mode. It's crazy because you feel the warmth, but you feel the cooling technology. It's cold and it's off right now. You feel it at the same time, so it never feels warm. And I like that because sometimes these devices can get super, super hot. So it's just a nice peace of mind to knowing you're not burning yourself. And this ice cool technology gets your skin down to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. It is pain-free. Did not hurt at all, and you saw how quick I did that. I don't really have those hairs like up here. It's just more like right around here that I wanted to target, because again, when I shave them, it's just like they come back or I don't get them all, and then I'll be out in the sun and I see them. So that is it for this IPL laser hair removal video. If you guys are interested in this device, I will have a link down below. Let me know, have you guys tried any of these IPL hair removal devices out? Are you thinking of trying any of them out? I'd be curious to find out, but anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.